Hello, this is Stefan again from schristoph.online. Today we'll walk through my latest weekly review covering 5 posts from the week of August 10th. One habit runs through all of them. Read past the headline before you decide. First up, Goodhart's law: the moment a measure becomes a target, people and even AI agents optimize the number and quietly drop the goals you never wrote down. The fix is not to stop measuring, but to express your intent more fully and keep human judgment in the loop. Next, the beach test. A physicist analogy compares densely packed sand looking rigid to what happens to a neural network's lost surface as the model grows. The takeaway is that making a model bigger mostly buys trainability, not just the ability to memorize. Then AI, moving into the database, SQL Server can now store vectors and even call a model straight from the query language. Storing the vectors is fine, but letting the database make the model call revives an old anti-pattern. Keep the vectors in the data tier and the model call in your application. Fourth, content provenance. Newer Claude models now mark what they generate, both a signed manifest on files and a hidden statistical watermark on text. The honest point is that the text mark is a signal, not a verdict. Paraphrasing can weaken it, and it can even be faked. And finally, when the security analyst is an agent, Goodhart's new investigation agent gathers the evidence, maps it to a known attack framework, and hands back a disposition with a confidence score. The machine does the correlation and you keep the call. Confidence is not correctness. You might ask yourself whether reading past the headline is just a theme stretched over 5 unrelated posts. I don't think it is. Each one is genuinely about the gap between the tidy surface reading and what the tool is actually doing underneath. You might also wonder where the further reading comes from. These are public pieces I actually read this week and did not turn into their own post. 3 of them circle the same question about media and AI crawlers. One of them is worth opening. This paper shows that stripping the feed-for-where-RD layers out of a transformer barely dents quality, which is a mechanistic argument for why retrieval-first designs keep winning. Thanks for listening. I hope this was helpful. If so, you can reach out on LinkedIn directly or head to my blog at schristoph.online. Let's keep in touch. Take care.